Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is environment, sandbox, edition, license, version. Environment in Salesforce. It is instance of host.com. It is classified into three types: production environment, development environment, testing environment. Production environment stores live data. It stores required data for running the business logic. Development environment, where developers are working, used to develop and enhance activities without affecting production environment. Testing environment, where testing activities should be performed without affecting production environment. Sandbox in Salesforce. It is an identical copy of the production environment. It is designed for development, testing, training activities. Refresh interval. It will remove old copy of production from your sandbox and gives fresh copy of production. Sandboxes are classified into four types: developer, developer pro, partial copy, full copy. Developer. It is an identical copy of production metadata. It is designed for development activities by individual developer. No live data from production will be given. Data size 200 MB, file size 200 MB, refresh interval one time in a day. Perform activities, development, testing by individual developer. Developer Pro is an identical copy of production metadata. It is designed for development activities by group of developers. It is similar to Developer Sandbox. Data size 1 GB, file size 1 GB, refresh interval one time in a day, perform activities, development, integration, testing by group of developers. Partial data. It is an identical copy of production metadata and sample data. It is designed for testing activities by a group of developers. Sample data of 10,000 records per table can be taken from production. Data size 5 GB, file size 5 GB, refresh interval one time in 5 days, perform activities, all type of testing activities except load testing and performance testing. It is also called UAT, User Acceptance Testing Environment. Full copy. It is an identical copy of production metadata and data. It is designed for testing activities. Complete data from production is copied. Data size, exact size of production. File size, exact size of production. Refresh interval, one time in 29 days. Perform activities, all type of testing including load testing and performance testing. It is also called staging environment. Edition. Editions in Salesforce. Editions is a set of Salesforce features wrapped together. This will specify what set of features are offered by Salesforce on force.com environment. Edition, Edition will depend on type of cloud we are chosen. There are four primary Salesforce editions available: Group, Professional, Enterprise, Unlimited. License in Salesforce. License will specify what set of features are offered by the Salesforce to the user. Types of license. Every user should have license. Salesforce license. User who need access to complete CRM and Force.com. Salesforce platform license, user who need only access to force.com. Chatter license, these licenses are designed for customers. Version in Salesforce, version of something is a particular form of it in which some details are different from earlier. To find out what version of Salesforce, you have to click on Setup, search for Apex class, click New, click Version Setting. It will display your Salesforce version. Every year, Salesforce releases three versions: winter, spring, summer. Thank you.